Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long time since I have filmed one of these videos, and I thought I'd go ahead and do a voiceover because these angles, guys, it's been a while. I don't exactly feel like this is my best video, but I'm just trying to get back in the habit of putting stuff out. So there's a lot of like not great angles and a lot of missing the action, but I just really desperately needed to clean my house, and I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of motivation. So that's what we're doing today.
We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love.
And here's where those bad angles start. Jeez Louise, I was so upset with myself when I watched this back, but basically all I'm doing is, you know how sometimes food just gets in the bottom of your dishwasher? I use the Clorox wipe to like pull all of that yucky out. But yeah, I'm just rinsing and scrubbing down the dishes before I put them in the dishwasher here. I'm just an idiot. I didn't move the camera over, which is really frustrating, but I'm filming again today. My house is a mess again because that's just life with 4 kids. So today I'm going to be very conscious of my angles.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
I know a lot of folks use all the fancy different stainless steel cleaners, but listen, the second I got done even using this cheap off-brand Windex, grimy little fingers came over and made it yucky all over again within minutes. So there's no way I'm spending more than the 98 cents from Walmart that I spent on this glass cleaner to clean my fridge. It's just, it is what it is.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wild.
Is this me, or is it the second that the season starts to change, I'm just like all about picking up the cooking hearty meals and soups, and I love it so much. Like I cooked chili this week, potato soup, vegetable soup, and what else did I make? Oh, chicken and dumplings the other day. Good night. I just love this weather so much.
There is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
I bought those placemats for the kitchen table that I had 2 extras, so I put them right here at the island. And I'm really thinking about getting some stools that match our tufted chairs. Sorry, my phone started ringing. I'm getting some stools that match these tufted chairs like right here and putting them at the island too. I just haven't decided. I'm on the fence because I don't want it to take up too much room, but I think it'll look really good. I'm just on the fence. I don't know yet.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now.
Here we go again with those crappy angles. Just look, what was I thinking? I don't know, but this is all I got. I'm sorry, guys. I'll try to be much better next time.
Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now. Right now, get it right now. Right now, get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push
So
over
these pillows came with the couch, and I never really liked them, but my other ones that you saw me put right there on the right, I'm throwing down, those ones have just gotten so broken down and old, so I just put the pillows that came with the couch on, and I'm just going to, they look better than broken down pillows. I don't know. Do you guys like those plaid ones?
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
y'all might have seen him in the beginning of the video, but I have a Great Pyrenees, big giant white boy. He's shedding, if you guys have one, you know, he's shedding so bad right now. This is the worst time of year for him to shed. It looks like there's miniature hamsters, like the fluffy kind, all over my house. I have to vacuum like 2, maybe 3 times a day. It's so bad, but he sure is cute.
An option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me from a past.
So I had to add another gigantic pile to the already massive pile that I had going because the dryer got finished. So anyways, my camera's gonna die here shortly in the next couple minutes or so. It's like amateur hour over here. I haven't done this in so long and I wasn't paying attention and my camera died without me knowing. So anyways, I promise I'm gonna be so much better the next time. So I'll have another video up for y'all on Thursday. And I'm gonna really try to step up my game because it's been so long. Like when you go back and you see your mistakes, you're like, oh yeah, I forgot that I have to do this or that. So anyways, if you guys want to stick with me and see if I can improve, then I will see you Thursday. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have been around for a long time and you've been one of the ones asking for me to come back, man, that feels so nice. Thank you so much for even noticing that I haven't been on in a while. And you guys are definitely the reason that I decided to pick up the old camera and dust it off and get back to it. So I appreciate that so much. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And especially if you made it this far with all my bad angles. Again, I'm going to be so conscious when I go to film today and make sure that I'm doing it all right. So anyways, I hope you guys got some motivation out of this. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.